Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the Slay Squad because we be slaying over here, period. Okay y'all, so today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how to install this 36-inch long braided wig, and let me just do a little close-up for y'all. Period. Looking like it's came from my scalp. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay y'all, so first and foremost, you want to clean off your hairline using some witch hazel. We upgraded from alcohol and we're gonna use the correct products and use some witch hazel. And this witch hazel, basically, it gently cleanses and conditions your skin without moving essential moisture. So you want to use this instead of alcohol, or you can use some micellar water, but I'm gonna use this today. Witch hazel is my new best friend, y'all, period. So yes, I cleaned my hairline off with the witch hazel, and then I'm gonna go in with my lace glue and I'm gonna glue down this cap. Okay, so you want to make sure you push the lace into the glue so that it sticks. And then I'm going to get my elastic band and tie it down. Okay, so I got my melt down band. This is an elastic band. You're going to need this to melt your lace into the glue. So let me go ahead and put this on. Boom. Okay. Hold on. These braids look a little thick or whatever, but we're gonna see what it's giving or whatever once I'm done styling it. But yeah, it looks so cute so far. Okay y'all, so I'm about to cut this lace real quick. Alright, I'm scared. Hopefully it comes out right. Okay, first and foremost, let me just push up the baby hair so that I don't cut those. I'm gonna cut them a little shorter, but I wanna make sure I don't cut the baby hairs off. Okay, y'all. So this is the finished look. I done did me some baby hairs. Cute. So I feel like I just want to add some concealer because I couldn't find my lace tint stick. So I need to like just make this look more natural. So I'm just gonna use some concealer in like the parting area. So watch y'all gonna see a difference. So you see this side? Wait. So basically like this needs a little more extra work done to it. So to make it look more natural, you're gonna have to go in with some concealer. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Okay, period. Now that looks more natural. So how am I gonna wear my hair today? Okay, that's how I'm gonna wear my hair today. Let me lift them up a little bit. Yes, period. Let me get a little close up. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I love this wig. Like, it came right on time, y'all, because I wanted my hair in like some box braids or whatever. Actually, I didn't even want box braids. I wanted me some knotless braids because, you know, the knotless braids are more in style, and then the box braids are just, I don't know. But anyways, I wanted to get some braids so bad, y'all, but I'm like, I don't even want to, I love wearing wigs, so I'm like, I don't want no braids. So I'm like, I was gonna get me a different, I was gonna get a different wig, like a braided wig or whatever. I've been wanting a braided wig for so long, and I was literally about to purchase one myself, and then I just kept procrastinating, which I'm glad I did. So this company had reached out to me and was like, we will send you a wig for free. So I was like, hey, period, came right on time because I had just wanted me a braided wig and I got one for the free. So yes, I love this hair, y'all. It's super pretty. Once I put my concealer on it, it looks more natural, and I didn't have to spend $180 to get my hair braided. So yeah, I love this wig. Make sure y'all check it out. I don't even know if I'm gonna put it in the description bar because at this point that's just free promo. But nah, this wig is so cute, y'all. Let me show y'all the back. Hey, yes. Okay. So yeah, y'all, make sure you join my new Facebook group that I just created for the luxury hair girls, period. If you want to be a part of the family, make sure you comment down below luxury hair girls if you already is following the group. And then if you do want to follow the group, just look up on Facebook luxury hair girls. So yes. Period. Okay, y'all, I'm hot and I'm about to go to this Juneteenth event. I'm gonna end up giving out I got some little free products that I'm gonna be giving out at the event and got like my cards in it. I'm trying to get my business out there, y'all. So you just gotta think of ways to network and get your business out there, promote your business. So yes. Okay, y'all, that's pretty much the end of this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.